Okay, Venkat. So, which program is this? Which program you did?
Framework DO modules.
Spring Framework DAO module. Okay. So, tell me, in Spring Framework, how many modules are there?
Spring Framework in 20 modules are there. In main important few modules. First one is Spring Core, Spring DO, Spring ORM, Spring MVC, Spring AOP. These are important Spring Framework
Okay.
modules.
All right. Good. So, entire Spring Framework, it is dependent on one principle. Which principle is that?
Spring Framework in dependency injection in follow the principle.
Okay. Good. So, what is dependency injection? Can you explain?
Dependency injection means it is a as a developer to require the not create the objects. In dependent injection to pass the inject the values in this class names and interface names are required the values to
Okay.
pass the values.
So, objects, who will create? Developer will create or?
Objects Spring container will be created automatically.
Okay.
It is a runtime.
Okay. So, object it will create. Okay. Then, which are all the required dependent values which are required to that object? So, when injection will take place?
When injection take place
During which time? Compile time, run time, or when it is?
runtime.
Runtime. Okay. So, what is the main use of Spring DAO module?
Spring DO module means a data access object. Spring DO module is used to develop the persistence logic by using JDBCs and DO module using the Spring framework.
Okay. But what is the main use of Spring? Why we need Spring?
Spring is a framework. It is used to develop the enterprise applications, web applications are there in Spring framework.
But what is the use? What is the use of this framework? Spring framework.
Spring framework used to the as a developer code reduce. For suppose 100 lines code in Spring framework used to the code reduce 50 lines are there.
Okay, good. Okay. Now in this example, show me where is the dependency injection that is happening.
Dependency injection means it is used to two ways: setter methods and constructors. First one is by using.
You show me the code in this program. Where is the dependency injection related code?
Dependency injection by using setter methods in Spring Bean class. By using Spring Bean class in this setter methods, by using set ID, set name in this setting injection to pass the values.
So where are the dependent values we are passing?
ID and name.
Yeah. So where are the values?
Values it there 1 or 2 and Venkat name is
okay.
To pass the values by using set ID. In this way, delete the database table in the rows. By using set ID in the pass the ID number and by using delete statement.
Delete statement, where is it?
The employee DEO in this query delete from student where ID is good to get ID in this method. In this method available in the Spring Bean class employee in this method get ID. It return the IDs.
Okay. Okay. So in order to develop DAO module, so how many Spring Bean classes are required?
2 Spring Bean classes are required. User defined classes and predefined classes.
So predefined classes are needed?
Driver manager data source predefined class and one more is JDBC template.
Okay.
The JDBC template is used to the manage the all database connections and exception handlings.
Okay.
Like JDBC template class used to the do not write the try catch blocks and exception SQL exceptions and do not write the connections. And that's it.
Okay. So you are not writing anywhere the code related to loading the driver, getting connection, closing connection. Where is that code?
JDBC template class manage all the connections and steps. Spring contain automatically.
No need to write all the
No need
code?
to write out the developer.
Okay, good. Now suppose I want to insert one row. So in this example, so which methods we have to use?
Execute method.
Okay.
In this method I use it to the insert the data, and this method also update and delete.
Okay. Suppose I want to retrieve some data from table, then which methods?
Query for object. This method used to retrieve the database table in the data.
So that query for object execute in which class you are writing?
JDBC template class. In this predefined methods available in the JDBC template
Okay,
class.
but that class where are you writing? In which component?
The employee Spring Bean class. In this write the delete statements and update insert data in this class.
Okay, can you run the program, show the output one time?
In this way program execute the one row in the deleted from the database table.
Okay.
By using delete query. In this by using only one row deleted in the database table.
Okay.
By using where condition, get id, and next one is client program. By pass the set id, set method. By using set method, set id to pass the value. Where id is passed, in this id it will be deleted in the database table in the row.
Okay. Okay, execute it. Let's see the output.
First one check the MySQL database table.
Okay.
Okay, but I am using on database Spring. In this database table there, and one table name is student. One row is already inserted in this table, database table. ID is 101, name is Venkat. So in this program executed to pass the value ID is 101. In this will be deleted in the row in the table.
Okay. Can you run the program?
Executed. So row is deleted.
Okay.
So let's check SQL database table.
Okay, it got deleted now.
Yes.
Okay, good. Quite nice, Venkat. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.